Yeah, there's some more trees down. There's a tree down. I mean, everywhere. Everywhere. This was a real bad storm. Portland lost power. Salem, trees down everywhere. Cars on the side of the road. All right, here we go. Let's see if this thing will get up this hill here. Look, there's a down power line. Still. Put this thing down first. I haven't seen the Greenbrier yet. That got trashed. So, oh, and we're not really going to be able to see it because it's buried in blackberry patches. But I'm going to clear the blackberries out because now we got a parts rig, and I could sell some parts off of it. I got some sheet metal now for the ramp side, and who knows? I haven't even seen these things because they're so buried in blackberries. Yeah, a lot of down trees. Oh. So we got about 3 Greenbriers in an early model, and I heard that this tree fell on one. This tree is huge. We have a parts car now. God, it just took out these blackberries. That's kind of a good thing. Wow. So, I mean, this is how long these Greenbriers have been sitting in the briar patch. They are, you would never know there was cars there, but sure enough, there's a Greenbrier, and it was a window. Kind of a, well, it is a real shame. The only plus side is that it's a parts car now, so I need sheet metal for my ramp side anyway. I mean, but look at the shape these things are in. Look at all those rat's nests in there. That's funny. That's really strange how this just flattened out all of these blackberries, because you would never know there was a car here. Even behind it is cleared out. I'm going to try to get around here. And, no, I can't really. Gotta leave those for now. Wow, look at this moss. It's very invasive to do this, but if you're ever camping in Oregon and you find a good tree, you find any good moss, you're kind of in a tight spot, you can peel this stuff off. It'll roll up like carpet, and you put it down under your tent. Makes for a very comfy sleeping mat. Let's see. Oh boy, what a shame. Looks like that shag carpet or something. Look at how trash this is. Oh man, look at that shag in there. That's funny. These things are just toast. I wonder if any of these would be savable. Was it a super van with the roll down windows? That is a bummer. It took out a good one. Yeah. Sorry for the shaky footage. I'm just trying to get through here. But if it's, yeah, like I was saying, if there's any consolation, it cleared a lot of the blackberries out of the way, because this was all totally covered. You know, like that right there. You wouldn't know there's a car there, but now you can tell. You can see 2. So there's some tail lights. You know, I need tail lights. If you're into the patina thing, this is great patina. These doors. There's opportunity. This looks like a another. I mean, the dang rodents. They got themselves a condominium. It's going to need a lot of clearing out before you get to any of it. Ooh, the weather's starting to turn, even though it doesn't look like it. But you can tell spring is not far away. And I'll start getting busy on clearing this out. Because it doesn't take long to really clear this stuff out. You'd be surprised. And then we'll see more. The tree did it in about half a second. How long could it take me? Boy, oh boy. Alright, I guess that's it. I don't know. I might make a little montage of clearing stuff out. Get a chainsaw up here. That was a big old tree that fell.